Hey everyone and welcome to a new AI video. Do you know those smart AIs like ChatGPT that seem to possess extraordinary powers almost overnight? Well, hold on tight because we are about to uncover the truth behind these seemingly magical abilities. So in the end you will see if AI is really that smart or if everything is just a fake. Today we are going to delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and explore the concept of emergent abilities. In the last videos we already developed a combination of hyper-realistic characters using Unreal Engine metahumans and a ChatGPT backend provided by Convai AI, but this time we want to see what's actually behind it and how it works.
Hello, and welcome to Gold Mantax. Ollie Doigun is currently in a meeting, but I can show you already our office if you want.
Yes.
Okay, then please follow me. I will now guide you through the office and show you the different rooms.
Researchers at the Stanford University conducted a recent study that sheds light on this question. They discovered that the emergence of abilities in these models depends on how we measure them. They discovered that the emergence of abilities in these models depends on how we measure them. Typically, we measure the accuracy of these models, which is the proportion of correct predictions basically out of the total predictions made. However, this measurement is not straightforward and can lead to deceptive jumps in performance. The researchers proposed an alternative explanation. They suggest that these emergent abilities might be an illusion, mainly because the researchers' team choose measurement methods that distorts error rates in a non-linear or discontinuous manner. Additionally, they argued that there might be insufficient test data to accurately evaluate the performance of smaller models, making them appear completely incapable of performing the task. Furthermore, the team found out that using a linear measurement method, such as the token edit distance, which calculate the minimum number of token changes required to transform one sequence into another, eliminates the observed jumps. Instead, a smooth, continuous and predictable improvement is observed with an increasing number of parameters. And this study shows that the emergent abilities observed in models like GPT-3 and in benchmarks like the Big Bench can be attributed to these nonlinear measurements. Interestingly, the researchers replied this effect in computer vision models, where emergent abilities hadn't been previously measured. So what does that mean? Well, the researchers conclude that for a specific task, the model family researchers can choose a measurement method that either generates or suppresses emergent abilities. Therefore, it's suggested that these emergent abilities might be a result of decisions made by researchers rather than an inherent property of the model family for a particular task. However, it's important to note that this study doesn't imply that large language models like GPT-4 can't have emergent abilities. Rather, it suggests that the previously claimed emergent abilities are likely to be an illusion caused by the analysis conducted by researchers. For alignment research, this study could be good news as it indicates that the predictability of abilities in large language models can be established. In fact, OpenAI has demonstrated in a report about GPT-4 that they can accurately predict its performance in various benchmarks. While the researchers don't rule out the possibilities of emergent abilities, it raises the question of whenever such abilities already exist. One candidate is few-short learning or in-context learning, which was detailed in the GPT-3 and forms the basics for the widely used prompt engineering technique. So in conclusion, while emergent abilities in AI models may seem awe-inspiring, it's essential to critically examine how we measure and interpret their capabilities. The illusion of intelligence might be more prevalent than we may think, but that's about the mistakes made in measurement, basically. Of course, AI tools are evolving very quickly, and you can already use them today to achieve great things and build characters which are very lifelike and can act, for example, as a seller in your store. So if you also now want to learn more about how you can make your own ChatGPT based AI, which can sell and explain your complex products in virtual 3D showrooms, then we can help you to build your serious games or AI apps. Since we offer a full service game development strategy, we can help you from the planning of the game to the development later. And those applications will help you to make brands three-dimensional experienceable and make your sales cycles much shorter. So if you have your own business but wondering how you can use those applications and AI to advertise your products in a brand new, innovative and interactive way, we can help you to build your own application which will either run web-based, so it's easily accessible for your audience, or as a VR application you can use on exhibitions and events to present your products. Every project is very different, and that's why we offer a first free 15-minute call where we will analyze your use case, ask some questions, and if everything fits, we will jump in a second strategy session where we will provide you a worked out strategy how your game or application can get built and how your company can benefit from those virtual showrooms. You can find the link for the application in the description. So what are you waiting for? Book your free strategy session now so you can also benefit from the possibilities you have as an early adopter to boost your branding and sales. Really, you don't have nothing to lose but much to win. I'm looking forward to meet you in our first free discussion about your project. But that's it for this video. Thank you very much for joining me today as we explored the illusion of artificial intelligence and the concept of emergent abilities. Remember, appearances can be deceiving, and it's a crucial question at understanding the metrics we use to evaluate AI's performance. Stay curious, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of AI and technology. But that's it for this video. Take care. Bye.